Amazing Grace Court 3, AGC 3. Imagine owning a luxury 2-bedroom apartment just 5 minutes away from the Lagos International Airport. Amazing Grace Court 3 is located at Ajao Estate and offers a rare opportunity for those looking to live in comfort, invest wisely, or run a high-demand short-let business. With the pile integrity test done, construction is fully underway. Prices start at 100 million naira outright, with payment plans available for 6 and 12 months. Title is secured with a certificate of occupancy. Prices are set to increase soon. Secure your unit now and capitalize on this prime location before the next price jump.
Right there is Murtala Mohammed Airport, and right here is the Amazing Grace Court 3. Just 5 minutes away from the airport, right here in Ajao Estate, a very strategic location. Amazing Grace Court 3, AGC 3, will offer you seamless access to travel via air, countless business opportunities, and a luxury lifestyle. Construction is actively ongoing. We are currently at the final stage of piling. Once that's complete, foundation work begins and we go vertical. Now is the best time to invest. Why? Because once piling is done, prices will go up. So secure your unit today at unbeatable off-plan prices.